Ladies and gentlemen, this is the video guide that will help you to remove the ransomware called Zteqqd. Zteqqd is a new ransomware that we discovered recently while researching new submissions to the VirusTotal database. The video, however, is only for educational purposes. I'm not associated with this ransomware and I'm not promoting this ransomware. In my video, I'll just show you the negative impact of this ransomware on the files. Before the ransomware attack, there are no troubles opening any file types, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. But unfortunately, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this particular Zteqqd ransomware may be easily injected into the device. So these are the consequences of the ransomware attack. You try to open this specific file and you see this message indicating that Windows cannot open this type of file with this Zteqqd additionally appended extension. And if you try to remove this extension manually, the files will still be encrypted. This does not help. The ransomware drops this ransom note mentioning that the ransom needs to be paid for file recovery. Paying the ransom is not a good idea. This does not guarantee that your files would be restored, so don't pay the ransom. We recommend you to remove this ransomware with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com. Download the software, install it, and then click on the Start Scan button. As you see, the program is initially in the trial mode. Only Quick Scan option is available in the trial mode. Most likely, the program will first of all update its anti-malware database, which is obviously essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. Combo Cleaner has got anti-ransomware feature. It allows you to add one or even several folders that will always be protected against ransomware attacks. But this feature is a part of the premium license only. Anyway, at the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of the threats. You will be able to know their exact locations. Please consider upgrading to the premium license as the best solution to keep your data always protected.